Ooh, BMW?
Are you high right now?
What?
You're gonna be the next president.
What are you doing with this BMW? Wheels, tires?
Yep. And these are HF2, so they don't have any raised spokes.
750i, we're gonna be putting our new Vossen wheels on this one. Oh, no way. Tyler, have you seen this key before?
Yeah.
Is that really the key for that car? Oh my god. That's actually real? That is so neat. Oh my god, this is so cool. It has a battery life on this? Oh, so range just like gas range? Wait, so you have to charge this key? Whoa, this is crazy, guys. This is like the future. This is a really nice setup. The gloss black finish works really well with the window trims, and like that hockey stick that goes across the doors on the bottom. I don't know what you call it, but it matches really well with that. And the color looks really good with the gray. Fitment with Vossen is always on point, so you're getting that near flush or flush fitment, just like how you would want it. Really happy with how it came out. It doesn't look too over the top, but it's just different enough for you to know that these aren't just some wheels you can get from the dealership, but that these are actually very unique. Lamborghini Huracan Performante. It never gets old seeing this car. I really like this car. I like the Huracan body style. It just looks really good. I'm not sure how I feel about forged carbon still, compared to like regular carbon, but it's nice. Nice clean black interior. Alcantara with red stitching, really nice. This one is in because we are tinting the side windows and the front windshield. Giving us some privacy, owner just bought this car. It's actually a pretty cool font.
Nice one-piece cursive.
You have it done?
He's like, go find out.
It's an in. No, it's not.
Man, it's the Performante font! See? Has the hooks. We good. We Gucci. Dude, it is exact.
It's off, bro.
It is exact. It has the little hooks. It's got those.
No, you see how much sharper this one is? You have an Aero, the other one's like kind of more, it's like sharper. You know what I mean?
Well, when things are tiny, they're sharp like a penis.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess you're right. To be honest, you like it small and sharp. That's all they'll fit.
Yeah, you're right.
Now that we got that Performante sticker done, let me show you what that looks like. Cool little subtle flex underneath the wing. Really can't see it unless you're looking for it. It's like, hey, you know, I'm here. Besides that, we also tint all the sides in the back. Sterilux 33, but still legal, but you get some privacy. And we also tint the front windshield too. Nice and clear, but heat rejection is still there. So you can go for those weekend cruises and feel comfortable on the inside. Oh, what are you doing in my car, bro?
Hey, wait, I'm going home, bro.
Please, you don't even like this car. God, look at the step. It is so cool.
Dude, you're really high up.
Yeah, it's a freaking 4x4. Brabus 4x4. This is like the daddy of boxy cars. I mean, look at this. Oh my god, look at this. How do you love it? How do you love it?
Alright guys, time to go home.
Freaking poser. Look at this freaking fender, guys. It's carbon fiber. I love that up top. The lights and the surroundings in carbon fiber. This thing is ginormous. This is it! This is it!
Hey, you don't look at this car.
Shut up.
A little small.
Good, I can fit inside your tiny little
Yeah, you're right.
Dude, this is so freaking cool. The reason why this is here is because we're gonna be Clearbrawing this top part where the lights are and the whole roof. Since that top portion is carbon fiber, it's pretty expensive to replace, I can imagine. So we're gonna Clearbraw that just to kind of keep it protected. Ooh, look what we got here. Brown boxes from Vossen. You guys know what that means. We got some forged wheels coming in.
My guess. You're gonna be like,
You're close. It's a much more premium black.
okay. You know what? No, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Oh.
Wow, that's actually pretty clean. I don't know if you can make a cleaner 5-star wheel than this. Vossen Forged EVO-1 wheel, 21 by 9 in the front, 21 by 10.5 in the rear. This is made specifically for the Tesla Model S. This really cool finish that you see is called Brushed Midnight Smoke. It's kind of like a smoky gray, so it has like some brown hues to it. Great color option if you're looking for something sporty, but something more unique than like matte black, satin black, or bronze. It's still dark, so it gives you that vibe, but at the same time, it's unique enough to where any true car enthusiast can appreciate that this is a really special color. Middle part is sunk in a little bit, and that's because they cut out all that excess area to save some weight, but at the same time, it also adds a really cool design element to it by giving it this undercut look. So not only does it look good, it also serves a functional purpose. And just look at the way the spokes are cut. I love how it's sort of like this smooth curviness on the edge. That's a manufacturing flex, because not any wheel manufacturer can cut spokes that look like this. Another day, another why.
Why?
Tell me why. Tesla Model Y is in. We're doing a full car Clearbra on this. Full car, Dustin. What a way to come back after Thanksgiving, getting good Clearbra in. Black is probably one of the hardest colors to maintain, so doing a full car Clearbra makes the most amount of sense on this color. Not only are we Clearbra the entire vehicle, we're also going to be tinting it. Doing great, Dustin. Doing fantastic, actually. Beautiful work. That sounds so depressing.
Oh, God. Look at the clock. That's more depressing.
People are like, what is that?
It's a new embossing technique I use.
Dude, it's a crop circle. See, I told you aliens were real. So I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do a video out here while it's raining, but I realized, you know what? I can use it to my advantage. So we had this entire Model Y completely Clearbra from bumper to bumper. The whole paint's protected, and then on top of that, we also ceramic coated the entire thing, which is why the rain is actually good for me, because I can show you how the paint is beating water right now. So if you look carefully, you'll notice how the water droplets are perfectly circular. That's because the surface is hydrophobic. So with a little bit of driving and some wind, it'll be sheeting off the paint, so it'll look completely dry once you're done. It's really cool. Black is one of the hardest colors to maintain, if not the hardest color. So to make it look this glossy is awesome. Every window on this thing is tinted with photosync. Outside looking in versus inside looking out is very different. You get that privacy that you need, but at the same time you get that visibility when you're driving. So it's a win-win situation. Not to mention the heat rejection is amazing. And last but not least, we also wrap the entire center console in satin black, and it just goes really well with the whole blackout theme of this Model Y. It just makes the interior look a lot more upscale, if that makes sense. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Stay tuned for the next vlog. We have a really cool project coming up. I will see you guys next time.